At some point, I realized that this was really, really unfair to my sister. So now I'm in this situation where my mom wants to know what she can do to repair the thing with my sister, but she's never willing to own her part of it or accept. And so I decided a while back that it was time for me to stand with my sister, that I was, whether actively or passively, kind of throwing her under the bus by agreeing with this dynamic that my parents had set up. I tried to explain it, and it always ends badly with my mom.
I'm
I
not
think that
sure.
she's
What
at the
did you
point,
mean by the dynamic? I don't understand what that meant. The
this
dynamic.
dynamic where that I'm okay and what I do is so great and so amazing, and my sister just has these problems, and the reason our family never is tight or bonded is because of whatever my sister does.
Well, what exactly does she do? If you go to calloftheday.com, you can hear this call in its entirety.